Right. Let us see the next problem. So as like in the previous explanation, what we had seen, the general procedure of the mesh analysis, here try to follow those steps. What we do is that first I will try to take up the meshes. This is what the mesh 1. So this is, let me take different color. This is mesh 2 and this is mesh 3. And for sake of understanding, I will consider that mesh 1 is mine, it's my mesh. I will write my equation first. Then mesh 1 is you, mesh 2 is yours. You write down the equation for this. Mesh 3 is your friend. Your friend. So we have 3 members, right? Right. So now mesh 1 is mine. So what is the next second step? Assign the mesh currents in clockwise direction. Assign means wherever you start from there in the clockwise direction, wherever some elements will come, try to put some arrow in the clockwise direction in this way. So in my journey, in my area, once I will take this journey, how many stops I come across? One is 10 ohms, 6 volts, 2 ohms. So 3 stops. So I kept 3 arrows in this clockwise journey path. That is the second task. Now for your area, you might be started here. Immediately one element came. So indicate arrow which represents the current. This represents I1, mesh 1 current. Mesh 2 current is I2. Again here one more element is there. Here one more element. Here one more element. How these arrows look like once we take care of everything? It is in clockwise. Check it.
Clockwise.
Yes, sir.
Now your friend started journey over here. Then immediately 6 volts source came, one arrow. Then downward here, one more arrow. Here, one more arrow. Here, one more arrow. This is what? How much is the current? I3. Now let us take the next step. What is the next step? Write KVL for each mesh. KVL for mesh 1. So the mesh 1 is my area, so I'll write my equation. Later I will ask you. Okay. So for mesh 1, the moment I started journey, what kind of element I come across is 10 ohms. So as I know that from Ohm's law, if 10 ohms resistance is there, the current flowing through it is I1, then I can write voltage as 10 I1. Okay. So next is, as I move further, I have come across
-6.
6 volts source, so minus 6. As I move further forward, I am coming across 2 ohms element,
Into
but
I1
this 2
minus
ohms
I2.
element is not only my friend, it is also friend of you. So I should take care that how much is the net thing which is passing through him. So as because this I am in right now my area, this is my area, red color one is my area. So as I am in this area, so my area I will be dominated. So my current is going to be dominate, which is I1 minus your current I2. So is equal to 0. Everything is completed, right? 3
Yes, sir.
stops are there, 3 terms are there. So I will simplify these equations a little later. So now let us try to learn how to write the mesh equations only. Okay. Next, let us take the next equations corresponding to you, KVL for mesh 2. Now my task is completed, my area work is completed. Now it's your turn. Now you start your journey.
2 I2 minus
2
I1.
into I2 minus
2
I1.
into I2 minus I1. Why? Because this 2 ohms is common between you, that is mesh 2, and me, mesh 1. So your current minus my current. This logic you remember, that's all, always. So next is plus 1
Plus
into
1 into I2 minus
I2
I3.
minus I3.
1 ohm is common for you and your friend. So you are dominating in your area. So now right now this got activated. So we should make this as I2 minus I3
Plus 8.
plus 8 plus 4 into
4 into
I2
I2
is equal to
equal
0. So next KVL for mesh 3. Who will take responsibility for your friend? So let us start your journey. Your friend journey started.
6 into I3 minus I1, sir.
Gone. So 6 volts is already readily available. So I asked
Yes,
you
sir.
to collect the voltage parcel. What are you doing is that 6 into I3 minus I1 means voltage into current is power. What task I had given? I asked you to collect the voltage in
So,
your journey. What have you done? You collected the power. So then somebody will arrest you. They will put in jail. I asked you to, let us say, collect some item. I asked you to collect phone. What you did is that, so you felt that beside that one gold box is there, you taken the gold box. But I asked you to collect the phone, you collected the gold. Is it a good thing? Never, never ever do this mistake. What is our aim?
okay, sir.
Is
Okay,
to
sir.
collect only voltage, only
6
voltage.
volts.
At this stop, voltage is readily available. Why are you looking for voltage into current again? Voltage into current means this is what power actually. Do we need the power? 6 is volts, I3 minus I1 is current. So voltage into current is power. We don't want power. What we need is that we need only voltage. So we must take care of this very carefully. 6 plus 5 into
I3
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 minus
minus 8
8 plus
Minus 8.
1 into
I3 minus I2
I3
I2
minus
minus I2.
I2 is equal to 0.
is
So 3 meshes, 3 equations completed. Most of the task is complete. Right now I am trying to make you learn of writing these equations. Later I will come back and I will solve all these equations. Okay. Do not worry about the solution. So now we are taking only step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 4 we will do little later. Okay. Right. So now let us start for this problem our journey again. So next question, what we do? So we try to occupy our areas. Now just initially I came. So before you to RJKT. So I occupy first, then later you occupy. This is my area, which is mesh 1. Okay. So now your area might be this one, which is mesh 2. Then your friend might become little later to the RJKT. Then we occupied these grounds. Now let us take some naming. So M1, I am putting some symbol there. Once they will see this, they will assume that this is my area, this is your area, this is your friend area. M1, M2, M3. What next we need to do? If we start our journey, the moment some stop comes, we try to indicate one arrow. I will tell you what is the importance of this arrow later on. So the current is I1. Next here, next here, next here, next here. The current is I2.
I2.
Next, we started journey here, no issue. Here, next here, next here. This is I3. Now let us take the KVL for mesh 1. KVL for mesh 1. So it's my area, so my current is I1 always. So I'll take 20 into I1, that is IR means voltage, plus 30 into I1
I1
minus
minus I3.
I3 plus 20 into
I1 minus I2
I2 minus 80 is equal to 0.
0.
Next KVL for mesh 2, it's now your choice. Now I should be silent. Why? Because my area activation got completed. Now it's deactivated. Now it's your turn. Choice is yours for mesh 2.
20 into I2 minus I1.
20 into I2
I2
minus
minus
I1.
I1 plus
Plus
30 into
30 into
I2 minus I3
minus I
plus
20
20
20
into
into
I2
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 minus.
plus 80
minus
watts.
80.
was
Minus
equal
80
to
watts.
0.
So even simple 1 plus minus also may bring a drastic change in your life. So some person who take care of this minus may become IES, Indian Engineering Service Officer. So at the same time, who will not take care of this minus may become clerk in that office. So engineering service officer is a gazetted officer. Clerk is you have to clean the table inside his office. So that much importance is there between this plus and minus. So you should take care very carefully. Clear? So that
Yes, sir.
will come through the practice. Next, KVL for mesh 3. Mesh 3 you start somewhere. Mesh 3
30
person.
I3
That
30
30
into
I3
I3
plus
plus 30 into
30
this
into
resistor now.
30
I3
into
minus
I3 minus I2
I2
Right, plus 30 into
I3
30 into
minus
I3
I1
minus I1
right is equal to 0. These are the three mesh equations completed. Okay. Now let us move to the next problem quickly. Next question. What is our task? Quickly we should occupy our positions. Mesh 1,
mesh 1, mesh 2, mesh 3.
mesh 3,
3, sir.
mesh 4, right. So mesh 3, only 3 meshes are there. So next step is wherever elements are there, I try to indicate arrow. This I will call as mesh 1 whose current is I1. My current is I1. My area is mesh 1. As long as I will be in the mesh 1, I will use the I1 current. Next, this is mesh 2 person whose current is I2. So as long as UR is activated, you should use I2 current. Next, this is mesh 3 person. So as long as we are in mesh 3, we should use I3 current. If we have any common friends, we know what to do. Okay, right. So mesh 1 KVL, we should write this
30
statement
into
KVL for mesh 1 like that. Okay, so 30 into I1
I1
plus 10 into
30 into
my current is
I1
I1.
minus I3
Very good. I1 minus I3
plus 10 into I1 minus I2.
10 into I1 minus I2
I2.
is equal to 0. Next, KVL for mesh 2.
I2
10
So
into
I2
I2 minus I1
10
10
I2
I2
minus
minus
I1
I1 plus
plus
120
120
120
plus
plus
30
plus 30
into
into I2.
I2. Only I2 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir. Equal to 0.
KVL for mesh
1
Mesh
3.
3.
What do we do? 10 into
10 into I3 minus I1
Minus I1
I1
plus
plus 30 into
30
plus
into I3
to
I3
minus
minus
120.
120 is
equal
equal
to
to
0.
0. So like this within 1 or 2 minutes we can write these equations and very fastly and we can so make some interesting things. Okay.